Hello, fly babies. Hello, my patrons. Hello, my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to finally learn how to love yourself. Okay, today is Renew Your Spirit Day. Now, if you've been following me for a while, and I mean following me, doing the things I ask you to do for yourself, suggest that you do for yourself. If you've been doing those things, then you probably don't have any clutter in your home. You probably have a meal plan in place. You probably are planning and looking at your day every day. You probably are controlling clutter by doing clutter checks every day. You're probably helping your children in their discipline by inspecting what you expect or going through things with them if they're small. And things are looking a whole lot better. So on this day, this is the picture you had in your mind. The family dressed in clothes that look nice, going to church together, right? So this is that day. So get up this morning because you planned it last night. Get yourself ready. When you're done going through your morning routine, put your children and your family through their morning routine. And then everybody knows the expectation, and that's important. It's knowing that there's an expectation so that the children will do what is expected. And you're going to inspect what you expect. So we're going to church. So get in the car. Let's go to church. It's a happy time, not a cajoling time, not a time where you have to be mean, not a time you have to threaten. Instead, a time that it's a pleasant time. We enjoy our trip to church. We enjoy church. You know, find a church that you enjoy, that your children thrive at. And then maybe get donuts after if that's on your agenda or in your budget. And then come home and enjoy the rest of the day. Make that a pleasurable thing so that your children don't hate it. You know, I would hate it too if my mother drugged me screaming and yelling every time. Make it something that's pleasurable. Okay. All right, that's it for today. It's super easy. You do your morning routine when you get up. You put the kids through their routine. You go do your spiritual renewal. And then after that, you enjoy the rest of the day. Have a meal. Have a family cleanup. Prepare tonight. Prepare tonight for tomorrow. The week is coming up. And the other thing is you want to get in that planner at some quiet time in the afternoon and project forward. I know you plan on Wednesday, but Sunday is a great time to do edits and adjustments. If you're using those little erasable gel pens from Pilot called Frixion, you can erase and move things around. Maybe you've changed your mind of when you want to serve certain foods. Maybe the kid's schedule has changed. And edit that so that when you look at it, it makes sense and it's true. So that when you look at it tonight for tomorrow, you can say, yep, that's true. We're having chicken tomorrow. I need to get those chicken breasts out of the freezer. There's no after-school routines, after-school things happening today. So that's great. I can actually delegate part of the morning routine, part of the basic weekly house plan. You know what I'm trying to say, weekly home blessing hour. So look and see what you can do and edit that along. And you're going to edit as you go because life is not, it's not a constant. Life ebbs and flows and life happens. And that's why we edit and adjust because we are like a tree that can bend in the wind. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day and always remember that you are beautiful.